All right, so we're going to unbox this magnetic wireless car charger by Vicseed. And I've already unboxed it and took everything out of its things, plastic, so it'll be easier for you guys. Here's the unit itself. And you can see it says Vicseed there, and there's a circle there that's magnetic. You put your iPhone right on there, and it charges it. And here's the port where your connector to your vents goes. And so the way the ball sets in there, you kind of have to snap it in. But before you do that, what you have to do is put the collar on like this. See that? And then you can go ahead, get on here, push it on, and then tie her down by just, tightening it up like that. To tighten this up, what you're going to do is slide your fingers in and just twist this, and it tightens on there. Watch, I'll show you. Stick my finger in. Look, ow, that kind of hurts though. Let me unhook that. All right, so that's basically the unit. It comes with a USB-C, and there's a port right here that you plug it into, and hopefully your car has a USB-C. All right, so that's the basic unit, goes on the vent, right? So now it also comes with this thing here, and it comes with these magnets. So the magnet's supposed to set on your phone, and then it pops right on there. So here's a white one, and they also have a black one here. But I think the white one is the one you want to use, right? And so this part goes up, this part goes down. So to put it on your phone, what you have to do is you're going to get this match-up thing here. Let me slide that over. All right, so now what you do is you're going to put this here, right? And basically, I guess you could do it like this. I don't know if it, yeah, it's got to go this way. So you're going to go like that. And then I think you're supposed to match this with the top and the bottom of the phone. But you know what? It's really not exactly a super duper thing. They want you to use this to clean your phone first, which we might as well just do since that's what they want you to do. So you just kind of get this kind of clean, wiping it down. Of course, now look at it's got like water on it, so I'm just going to wipe it on my shirt. All right, so anyway, here we are. So we want to use the white one because this is a white phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this off here like that, drop that in the garbage. And then what I'm going to try to do is I'm trying to get just under this Apple signature and get it so it just kind of sets almost perfectly in the center. Bam, there we go. So now we're going to smush that down. So make sure that it's on there. And then basically the way it works, this is, you can see the writing here, right there, you see that? So this is just gonna set on there like that. And then you're good, you're ready to go. Just like that, that's how you do it. So this is a pretty simple system. We just gotta hook it into the car. And then the key thing is that if you've got, you need a block, all right? A USB-C block if you don't have one. By the way, this is the length of this, you see? And so you're gonna hook it on your vent, then you're gonna pop this in the bottom here, just like this. And then hopefully, maybe you've got a USB-C in the newer cars. If you don't, you're gonna have to buy a block for this to work for you. So I just wanna warn you about that now. So now we just have to take it out and hook it on the car and see how it works.